A railway company needed a neutral, data-driven assessment of telecom operators' performance across tracks and stations. Mozark Platform's WirelessX deployed a white-label app on 15,000 agents' devices and measurement kits to crowdsource real-time data, generating user-centric maps for network quality of experience. This empowered negotiations with operators on service levels and the functioning of new digital services, ensuring seamless connectivity across 30,000+ kilometers of tracks and improving services for passengers and staff.